There's an old saying, rice is poured in the water and dies in the wine. I've been cooking this recipe since I fell in love with Chianti. It evokes the landscape for me, wild boar, cypress, and olive trees. Rice also reminds me of the Vercelli area in the northern Italy where I met the Mondini, the women who picked this grain in the rice fields. I first cooked the rice in the wild boar stock. To make the rice moist and shiny, you make a mantecatura. Instead of butter, I use some Felice's olive oil for a tiny bitter note. We serve the risotto on a wild boar pate and fermented olive cream aromatized with our garden herbs. The balsamic touch that the cypress fruit delivers at the end is refreshing. For me, everything that Chianti represents is in this dish.